Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now, in this video series, we are looking at how to create your online store on Keepsales. And specifically for this video, we will be looking at step number 7, which is the contact us page and new order notification settings. Okay, so let's go to that. So let's click on the main menu, setup and settings. Okay, so we are looking at step number 7. Okay, the contact us page and the new order notification settings. Okay, so usually for when you create your website, you also want to have your contact information available so that your customers can just, when viewing your website, if they want to get in touch with you, they are able to get in touch with you. Okay, so to do that, all right, when we click on step number 7, okay, there's a drop down. Okay, so let's take them one by one. It says that the information entered here will be displayed on the contact us page on your online store, and then the new order notification numbers will be used to alert you via SMS when there's a new order, and I'll come to that. So that's the first one, the new order notification SMS recipient number. Now this number, okay, anytime you receive an order, okay, when somebody visits your online store, okay, and I think we want to be able to do that, so let's view our online store. Let's have a quick glance there. Okay, so all right, so let's say for this particular product, okay, when people click to order, okay, now when they enter, their details and then they place an order, okay, Keep Sales will send you an SMS notification, okay, to tell you that somebody has ordered on your platform. All right, so to do that, you have to provide the number that you, as the owner, you, the one who owns the website, will receive SMS notification on. And also, one thing you also have to notice that you must have some available SMS. Okay, so if you don't have available SMS, you have to go and top up. So you click on the bulk SMS settings. There's a whole video on how to top up your SMS. So you click on the bulk SMS settings here, and then you go and top up your SMS. Without that, you cannot receive notifications when you get an order. All right, so that is that for this one. Then now you have your main contact phone number. Okay, so you can input your main contact phone number. So let's say your main contact phone number is 540033. Okay, then you can have if you have a secondary contact number, you can also display that as well. Sorry, it's 540. It has to be an accurate phone number. All right, so these are random numbers I'm using. So for your email, for your support email, you can use linkmestore@gmail.com. If you have a Facebook link, you can attach it. If you have an Instagram link, you can attach. If you have a Twitter page link, you can attach. If you have a WhatsApp number or a LinkedIn page link, you can attach. If you have a business location or address, so let's say you are at East Legon in Accra. All right, so once you have that, now you click on save changes. Okay, so it tells you that our contact information is saved. Okay, so we want to have a look at how it's going to appear. So let's click on view online store. All right, okay, so you notice that under the contact us, okay, the information you gave is what is displayed. Okay, so the email, the phone number, the address. Okay, if you have the social media, okay, information, you can add all that as well. All right, so this is that for the contact us page. All right, and the new order notification settings. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. We have more of such amazing videos for you. We have all the videos tackling each and every step involved in creating your online store, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again. Do have a wonderful time, and bye bye.